Hello, this is Steve, the mental health monk. This meditation is designed to help you reach a deep sleep and to alleviate insomnia. Many times insomnia is created by having too many alpha and beta brainwaves active, which are actively problem solving, and this is depressing the theta and delta waves needed for dreams and deep restorative sleep. Our goal in this meditation is to move our mind from thinking to merely being. To start, lie down and get comfortable in your bed. Make sure that you are warm enough and that you're comfortable. Ensure that there is no light in the room and that any possible distractions have been addressed. If you have any level of light in your room, it may be in your best interest in the future to invest in items such as a sleep mask or blackout curtains. With complete darkness, it triggers the hormones in the body tied to the circadian rhythms to help us cross over into sleep. I also suggest some sort of white noise machine. This meditation will finish with the sounds of thunderstorms for an extended period of time to help you with your transition to a deep sleep. When you're ready, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose, and allow your eyes to close. Pay attention to the sensations you feel in your body. Start at the toes and slowly scan your body up to the top of your head. Notice any tension and relax each part of the body as you notice that tension. Run this scan up and down your body until I say stop. You may notice thoughts are creeping back into your mind, and that's okay. That's expected. Each time a thought comes into your mind, refocus on the area of the body that you're scanning and resume the scan. Regardless of how many times our mind goes back to thinking, thank the mind for thinking, but know that no thoughts need to happen at this moment. Now, stop the scan and focus on your breath. Don't try to change the breath. Just watch what it's doing. Notice the belly rising slightly with each inhale and falling with each exhale. Notice the air moving in and out through the nostrils, and feel what that feels like. Can you feel the air blowing over the top of your lip? Can you feel the air moving deeper through the nose? Are you noticing any thoughts returning? If so, return your attention to your breath. Now I want you to move your attention from your breath down to your big toe. Notice your big toes. Feel any sensations on the skin. Feel any sensation within the toe. Know that no evaluation needs to be done. Spread that awareness to all 10 toes. Notice any internal and external sensations. Move your attention to the bottom of your feet. And now the entire foot. Feel what the entire foot feels like on both sides of the body. Notice any sensations, any tingling, any energy movement. Just notice. Notice the ankles. Notice if the joint feels any different than the foot. Now move that attention up to the lower leg. And now to the knee. Collectively feel all of the areas from the knee down to the big toes. Feel that entire area and any sensations, either internally or externally. Let's focus on the thighs now. Do you notice any tension in the thighs? If so, take a breath in and release that tension on your exhale. Notice how our mind can make our muscles calm. Move to the pelvic region. Notice any pressure of what you're lying on. Let's move up to the abdomen. Again, noticing that when we inhale, our belly rises, and when we exhale, our belly falls. And then move to the chest. Notice how the breathing impacts the chest. Are we carrying any tension in the chest? If so, breathe in, and on the exhale, breathe out any tension in the chest. Let's move our attention to our throat. Are you able to feel the air moving down through the throat? Next, focus on your face. the entire face. Feel any sensations. Do you find any tension in the jaw, in the eyes, in any other space? Move your attention to the top of your head. Can you feel the hair follicles? Can you feel any sensations of tingling or of energy movement? Now feel the sensations across your entire body. Feel the internal sensations and feel any sensations on the skin. Imagine yourself floating up from your body and turning around and looking at yourself from a distance. Do you see a level of stillness? What does relaxation look like? Watch yourself breathing. Can you see the belly movement? Use this external perception to scan your body once again. From your toes to the top of your head and back down. Notice if there's any tension that has been missed. Focus on your thumbs. Relax your thumbs. Focus on your fingers. palm of the hand, and then the entire hand together. Focus on the wrist. And now the forearm. The top of the arm. And then the entire arm. Do we have any tension left in our shoulders? If so, take a breath in through the nose and exhale that tension and feel the muscles softening. Do you feel anything in your low back? Again, inhale through the nose and exhale out any tension and feel the muscles softening. Notice the eyes. Notice the eyelids. Notice the entire feeling of the eye socket. Notice the ears. Notice the inside of the mouth. gums, the teeth, the inside of the cheek. Notice the tongue. Notice what it's like to be completely and totally relaxed. Imagine yourself in the most perfect nest, supporting every part of your body for effortless comfort. Imagine looking up from that nest to seeing a clear blue sky. Imagine seeing birds off in the distance, going about their day. Completely present in the moment. Feel a sense of complete security and safety. Nothing needs to be tended to. It's time to rest.